Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video in this channel of your channel obviously. Welcome to another video. I already started a new playlist, a new edition where I will tell you of the PCs and tech related gadgets and all those. Today I will be giving you a suggestion on the PC build, and I am none other than your host Saurav. And yes, let's begin this video with a waste of time. Today I will be giving you $500 PC build suggestion. I'm gonna build like obviously I don't have money now. I'm not gonna build like this. I'm gonna give suggestions on this video. You can see the gaming clip because I've recorded it. And if you have not seen my channel trailer update video, make sure you watch that first. You can go in the link button or you can go in the description and watch that video. So let's begin this video without wasting more time. Let's do this. So first, as you can see in the picture, is the Intel Pentium Gold processor. It's actually a processor or CPU, whatever you can say. It's actually I have studied Intel Pentium Gold. You can say obviously say that why I not chosen Ryzen. Ryzen 3 is very cheaper. I'm not chosen Ryzen because I don't need the good quality. You know, Ryzen 1 consumes more electricity. You know, if from terms of electricity, they does consume more electricity. So that's why I'm not choose i3 also, because i3 is also expensive on that case. But if you choose this one Intel Pentium, you will be good with the other parts also. You have chose the other parts nice, and this one is very good. You know, if you in this budget, you will be very good because it's Intel Pentium Gold and the processor is 2-core 3.7 GHz processor, and it's another series. Obviously 554 watts to 5 or 58 watts will be available to you. 2 cores, 4 threads. I've already told you the base frequency is 7.7 GHz, and it will compare with the 300 chipset based motherboard that I've chosen already in the motherboard section. Yeah, because if you want any thermal solution, you can go like thermal based, like you want the cooling or thermal, like RGB thermals or anything thermal. The solution is included over there if you want. So yes, this is the main Intel Pentium Gold that I'm choosing. You can see the picture also. And yes, next let's go into another component. The second component that I'm choosing is the graphics card. Obviously, graphics card. I'll choose GPU. In short form, you can say GPU. And I have chose one. That one is the OC version. I will recommend you the OC version because it's very nice in that part. 1030 I've chose the OC 2GB graphics card. I've chose this is gigabyte. Sorry, spelling is so bad. The Gigabyte GWin N103C 2GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX, not GTX, not GT, only GT 1030 OC 2GB graphics card, and actually it's by GeForce only, by NVIDIA. You can say NVIDIA GeForce, and but obviously the company has changed Gigabyte, but nothing matters because just like that. So it's 2GB, you can say GDDR5 64-bit memory, and 4 video playback is smooth on that. 4 video and supports HDMI 4K at 60 Hz. And 1 gig overclocking, you can do overclocking also via Aura's graphics engine. With the Aura's graphics, you can overclock 1 overclocking, and the form factor is ATX. Obviously, to get that, it's not the RTX. ATX is the main thing, not the RTX. And if this is expensive for you, you can also choose this one. I have recommended you that this one is same model, but that is not the OC version. You can choose that one also if you don't want to recommend the OC version. You can also choose this one. You can see the picture. And the next component we are going on is the motherboard, which is the main thing. You know, motherboard is the main thing where to fit all those RAMs and everything. You can see the picture. I have chose the Gigabyte. You can see H310M S2P graphics. Graphics card is motherboard. This is the first video. That's why it's the first doing video on computers, PCs. So that's why it's very bad. I'm using very bad languages from that language, but I cannot use the correct word, you know. So a little nervous also, so that's why I cannot use the correct word. I chose the supported Intel and ST10 Micro ATX, obviously, and ultra durable, obviously ultra durable. And this gaming RAM DDR4 HDMI in 1.4 M2, and actually it supports the 8th gen Intel core processor, which is very good, you know, and dual channel non-ECM and for DDR4 8th gen HD audio with high quality of your capacitors, ultra fast M2. Basically there are a lot of things. You can just see the you can go in the description. Obviously there is all the links is there of Amazon, but I've chose from there only. I've given the links in the description. You can go and check it. And obviously it will be exclusively 8118 gaming LAN with bandwidth management, because gaming LAN is the most important thing. And let's jump into the next. It will support everything, you know, that I'm telling you. Obviously support. That's why I've chose this one. So let's go to the next component, which is the power supply. I've chose the EVGA 450 watts power supply, 450 BT 80 plus bronze, obviously bronze editions, and there are 3-year warranty. Let's go to the features section. Great quality, obviously great quality. VGA does make good graphics cards and components. I've not heard. You can hear by just clicking on the Google. You have not heard. Yes, everything is good. The fan size, the fan size is 120mm. It will fit, obviously. The case I'm choosing will fit, obviously. And the 3-year warranty I've told you. Nothing I should tell. The 450 watts will be great for you, not the watts BT version. Yes, obviously it's 450 watts only. It will be very helpful for you. 450 watts. And next come the component is the, obviously I will choose the HDD. Western Digital. I've chose WD. Obviously I will choose the Western Digital. I think I should choose the Sega one, but the Sega one is Western Digital. I think it is great. Western Digital does make these HDDs. So I've chose the Western Digital WD 500GB. Obviously it's WD 500GBs and 32MB cache. That's SATA 3.0 GBs, 3.5-inch Intel hard drives. Obviously it is HDD. That's why it is called. It's Western Digital AV drive, and with 500GB. I've already told you 500GB for desktop. Yes, obviously HDD will be for desktops only. I think laptops also is HDD, but that is a small chipsets. And next come is the component is I think it is important for a gaming and doing editing. The RAM sticks. The RAM sticks I've chose as the Corsair Vengeance. What I've told. Vengeance. Everything will be great for you. LPX, it's 8GB of Corsair DDR4 RAM, 2400 MHz. Obviously it will be black color, black edition. You can choose some other colors also, but I think this is the black will be good for you, because you know the setup I'm doing is black and green fans. That's why I'm telling you, you should be seeing this one only. So so next comes the CPU cooler. That chose is the Ragitex, something like that. Yes, Ragitex. I've not heard about this, but surely I will heard. And it's from New York only, because New York may just sell good components and all those. So New York, nice. They are nice. Powerful PWM control fan, hydraulic bearing, designed for silent operation. With Intel, compatible with Intel. So that's why I chose Intel. Obviously, it is compatible with AMD. 70 watts, good to go with this CPU pillar. Nothing will happen to you. And this next come is the I love this case. That's why I've chose this one. In this budget I've chose this one. This is the green colored green RGB fan. The fans that will be in the front will be green color. Yes, I've chosen DIY PC. I have not heard about this company, but I think DIY PCs, I think custom built PCs. This black color with USB 3.0 steel tempered glass. You can see that there is transparent. As you can see in the picture, there is transparent. You can see inside. That's why I chose this one. Tempered glass for on the left side, phone and green obviously I've told you that there will be pre-installed fans which will be of green color. As you can see, the green 33 LED light fan pre-installed. So this is the case I'm choosing. If you like, you can go in the description, just tell me that you have liked this PC build or not, and you like my voice and everything, and just I'm explaining this one. So this is the first video, I'm just telling you like that. So I think it will be a little bit of nervousness, and yes, if hope you like this PC build, PC selection build, like $500 in budget, I've chosen you very good PC. You should recommend this one because a lot of knowledge I have already PCs and all those items. So make sure to subscribe, press bell icon for that, for the latest updates. I also upload some music type videos, like not music videos, obviously music videos are too hard for me now. So I upload some little bit of covers and some crazy music things, and some informative music things. Not music things, music videos, not music things, whatever I'm saying. Music videos and some clips and some technical things like you can say music technical things, gadgets. And so that's why make sure to subscribe, like and share. And this is a PC build I'm telling you. You can go in the description, you can go in the description and you can see all the parts. You can not parts, it's components. You can see all the components. You can buy it from there, or you can just suggest this from here, and you can go in the markets or whatever, shopping malls, wherever you buy PCs. You can go there and you can buy from there. By recommending this, it will be great for you. This one is recommended for you only, under $500 budget. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. Again, I'm telling you, do whatever you want. Peace out in this video. This is the first video, that's why I'm telling so fast and just not explaining many things, just doing the video like that. Hope you will enjoy this video because this is the first catched video. Yes, peace out. Bye. I'm just going. Bye for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and bye. None of that, Spectopus.